And what goes better with a farmhouse brunch than a refreshing and sweet lavender peach lemonade? Here's my cooled off simple syrup with honey, water, and lavender. Lemon juice and freshly squeezed, please. And I've always got some frozen peaches in the freezer. They're so refreshing. And in here, they're gonna add a really nice texture and flavor. What a vibrant color this is. Wow. This has got some flavor. The lemonade screams lemon, a tart, really nice lemony flavor. And I love the sweetness of the peaches. And then in the background, that floral lavender. It's not too strong, but you know it's there. So refreshing.